Welcome to this video, where we will be learning some useful tricks for beginners in Microsoft Excel. Before we start, make sure you click the subscribe button so you never miss any new tips, tricks and tutorials. Let us start. When you have a long table like this, you will not be able to see the headers when you scroll down. Here's how to solve that. Press Alt-W-F-R. Now the headers will be fixed even when scrolling to the bottom of the table. Another useful navigation tip. When you want to go to the bottom of the table, just press Ctrl and down arrow key. This will take you to the last cell in your sheet. Same can be done with the up, right and left arrow keys. Next tip. When you need to split a full name into first and last name for the whole column, simply write the first name, then go to the next cell and just press Ctrl-E. This will automatically do the split for the whole column. Check this next trick. If you try to copy and paste some values and you are ending up with zeros, this is because the copied cells are formulas. Here is the right way to do it. Instead of using Ctrl+V to paste, use Ctrl+Alt+V, then select values and click OK. This way you will copy the values of the selected cells. Next you will learn how to make slicers in a table. Select the data you need, and press Ctrl+T, click on OK. Next go to Insert then select Slicer. Select the value you need to use and click OK. Now you have your slicer that allows you to display data based on a specific value. Last but not least, here is how you can select the top 3 values from a list. For the top one, you can use the max function. Type equals max and select the set of data you want. For top 2, you will need to use the large function. Type equals large, select the set of data you want, type comma, followed by the rank. In this case it is 2 since we need to find the top 2. The same will be done for the top 3. However, this time we will type 3 instead of 2, since we are looking for the third rank. Hope you have enjoyed these useful tips and tricks. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss any coming tutorials. Thank you for watching.